Hi, my mom invented the better with his mom.
Because my twin brother is lazy.
Making the bed is an awful chore. Sheets don't fit, and mattresses are too heavy. With the better, you can buy any sheet from any store and they will fit. Even the wrong size sheets will fit, like a queen sheet on a full mattress. It's that easy. With the better, you can make the bed by yourself and you won't need help lifting your mattress. We understand your frustration, so follow my mom's 5 steps and the better will change your life.
We guarantee it.
Step 1, measure your mattress. Step 2, order the correct size, better. Step 3, follow the simple instructions and put your better on. Step 4, put your sheets on without lifting your mattress. It's that easy. Step 5, go out there and enjoy your day. You deserve it.